Hello student, welcome to my channel Maths Club. Today I am delivering another important lecture on multi-threading in operating system. OS, multi-threading, that is in operating system. Multi-threading. What is multi-threading? In this lecture the learner will be able to know that is multi-threading, and there are categories of multi-threading. There are 4 categories of multi-threading. In this lecture the learner will be able to know 4 categories of multi-threading. So let's start. What is multi-threading? Multi-threading means a process is divided into number of smaller tasks. Each task is called a thread, already discussed. Each task is known as thread. So number of threads within a process execute at a time is called a multi-threading. What is multi-threading? Multi-threading means a process is divided. Just I am writing the definition. A process is divided. Into number of smaller tasks. Each task is called a thread. Each task is called a thread. Number of threads. Now number of threads within a process execute at a time is called multi-threading. Understand now? When many threads, that is number of threads within a process are executing at a time is called multi-threading. That is multi-threading means multiple threads are executing within a process at a time is known as multi-threading. Multiple threads are, we can say in shortly, multiple threads are executing within a process at a time is called multi-threading. Based on functionality, threads are divided into 4 categories. Based on functionality, threads are divided into 4 categories. Threads are divided into 4 categories. Okay, these are number 1, one thread, one process, one thread. One process, one thread. Example MS-DOS. This is one process, one thread. Number 2, one process, multiple thread. One process, multiple threads. One process, multiple thread. Example Java. Number 3, multiple process, one thread. Multiple process, multiple process, one thread, multiple process, one thread per process. Example, Unix. Okay. Next, number 4, multiple process, multiple threads per process. Multiple process, multiple threads, multiple processes, multiple threads per process. Example, Windows 2000. These are the example. Windows 2000, Solaris, Linux. These are the example of multiple process, multiple threads per process. Okay. Now, if we see the diagrammatically like this is the diagrammatically I can show here. That is, threads are divided into 4 categories. One process, one thread. This is one process, one thread. One process, multiple threads. This is one process, multiple threads. That is 3 threads here. That is multiple thread. Then another category is multiple process, one thread per process. That is how many threads here? How many process? 1, 2 process, or you can see another process. That is multiple process, one threads each. One thread per process. You see one thread. How many processes? Multiple processes. 1 process, 2 process, 3 processes. These are the processes. That is, rectangular box is known as processes. Within the rectangular there is a threads or more threads. There is 1 thread here, 3 threads. Okay. Next category is multiple process, multiple threads per process. The multiple process, that is 1 thread, 2 threads, 1 process. This is a process, this is another process. You can say another process, and multiple threads per process. That is more than one threads per process. You see here 3 threads, here 3 threads. You can do another threads. Okay. Multiple process, multiple threads per process. Every process having multiple threads. Okay. This is the diametrically representation of category of threads. This category: 1 process, 1 thread; 1 process, multiple thread; multiple process, 1 threads per process; multiple processes, multiple threads per processes. Okay, per process. Okay. So I think you understood very nicely. So keep watching, sharing, commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep commenting. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks.